Good afternoon, boys and girls. Today is your daily math recap. Today in class we went over lesson 9.4, apply formulas. So during this time during these last few days we've been talking about formulas for perimeter, area, and volume. And so here are a couple of the formulas for perimeter that you can use, the one for area and the one for volume. There was also another one for volume that I didn't write down, and I'll write it down now. That's V equals base times height. Remember that when you have the letters next to each other with no operation sign, that means multiply. So let's see how we can apply our formulas to solving this question here. Devil has a rectangular patio that is 15 feet long and 5 feet wide. If Devil uses square tiles with a side length of 1 foot, how many tiles will he need to cover the patio? Well, if we look at the question, it's saying that we're going to cover the patio. Well, anytime I'm covering anything, I'm going to use the area formula. So I'm finding area. So area equals length times width. Go ahead and write your formula down that you're using. Then let's replace in our equation the dimensions for length, which is 15 feet, and the dimension for the width, 5 feet. Area equals 75 square feet, or feet squared. Okay. All right, let's look at another example problem, keeping in mind here are our formulas, and let's see what we will do in this problem. Sanaya has a rectangular bulletin board that is 3 feet long and 2 feet wide. She wants to cover the board with felt and add a satin ribbon around the border of the bulletin board. How much ribbon does she need? Well, the question says, how much ribbon does she need? Well, let's look. She's going to add a satin ribbon around the border of the bulletin board. Well, whenever I do something around something, I'm doing something on the edge. So that means I'm going to be using the perimeter formula. So I'm going to choose P equals 2L plus 2W, or 2 times length plus 2 times the width. Well, I'm going to exchange the letters for the actual dimension. So I'm going to rewrite this. P equals 2 times 3. Whenever I replace the letter, I have to put my multiplication sign. 2 times 2 feet. P equals 6 feet plus 4 feet. P equals 10 feet. And that's how much ribbon she'll need. She'll need 10 feet. Okay? So just keep this in mind when you are working with applying formulas. Whenever you see something talking about it's going around something else, that means we're going to be talking about perimeter. Whenever it says we're going to cover something, that means we're going to talk about area. And whenever we're going to fill something, that means we're going to talk about volume. So I hope that's been helpful to you. Remember to make sure that you come in tomorrow with your homework and questions. And of course, the secret word today is weekend. The secret word today is weekend. See you tomorrow.